Hi guys, I am Ishita Kothari and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I will be sharing a random day in my life, like what I usually do and all. So some sort of clips will be there. So yeah, so I woke up at around 8:30 I guess, and then I washed my face and applied a sunscreen, and then now I'm back to start my routine. So the first thing which I do when I wake up is to have a warm water with lemon in it. I don't put honey because मुझे honey इतना पसंद नहीं है. I just warm the water and put lemon in it and I drink it. This is the first thing I have in the morning. Once I complete drinking the warm water, उसके बाद I have some healthy stuff. It's like कि मैं पूरे दिन healthy नहीं खाती हूँ. I don't know how people can eat healthy all the day, but yeah, I start my day with a healthy thing, and then धीरे धीरे you will come to know how unhealthy things I eat in a day. It's like a balance. Healthy भी खाओ, unhealthy भी खाओ, तो balance हो जाता है. But पूरे दिन I cannot eat healthy. So this is the first thing that I have. It's raining outside, तो शायद आवाज़ आ रही होगी. So the first thing that I have early morning is a black raisins. इसको किशमिश भी बोली जाती है, black किशमिश, and a figs and manuka. You can see figs मतलब अपना अंजीर, and this green one आधा pumpkin seeds. मैंने सबको ओवरनाइट सोक कर लिया है, and then I have it in the morning because I feel कि if you start your day with a healthy thing, it is so good for the health. And to be honest, मैं पूरा दिन healthy नहीं खा पाती हूँ, so it's better to start my day with some healthy stuff. So these are the dry fruits that I soak overnight and I have in the morning. This is very much good for your health, and this is the best thing to have in the morning. So yes, this is what my actually friend suggested me. She's a dietitian, so I don't follow a diet or something, but she gives me a healthy tip like how I should start my day and everything. So this is the first thing which I have, and yeah, it's pretty good for your health, and there are so many benefits of this. So once I complete having everything, I sit for the meditation. Usually मेरे से रोज meditation नहीं होता है. I usually do it. There is the meditation which I do. I will link in a description below if you wanna see it. It's a 21 days meditation technique to achieve anything in your life, when you want to manifest anything. So this is what I do. But what happens, I started, then 5-10 days होते हैं, and then फिर से रुक जाता है मेरा. So it's not like I'm doing it on a regular basis, but हाँ, I try my best कि मैं जितना हो सकता है करूँ, but नहीं हो पाता है. But that is the best meditation. Like मेरा एक problem है, problem in the sense कि I overthink. Yeah, I usually keep on thinking everything. मतलब दिन भर दिमाग चलते ही रहता है कि ये करना है, वो करना है, ऐसे करना है, वैसे करना है. सो इट कीप्स गोइंग ऑन, और वो सारी चीज़ें चलती रहती है. सो आई फील लाइक मेडिटेशन इज़ गोइंग टू हेल्प मी टू काम माई सेल्फ, कि थोड़ा जो यहाँ वहाँ दिमाग घूमता है थोड़ा बैलेंस हो जाए, थोड़ा नॉर्मल हो जाए. सो फॉर दैट आई डू मेडिटेशन, एंड yeah, so right now I'm going to do it. I'm going to on it in my phone and will do it. It's a very nice meditation, and if you know me personally, then you will be knowing I am a strong believer of law of attraction, and I believe in it, and I feel like whatever you manifest in your life, it's bound to happen, and I am so grateful for everything. So for this I do meditate with a manifesting technique. So I will link in a description below. So right now I'm going to start it. I took a shower and I came back and I let my hairs dry naturally. I don't often use hair dryer or straightener because I feel like it damages my hair. So मैं इतना ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं करती हूँ, और जितना नेचुरल रह सके I try to do that, because already I am using chemicals on my face in the form of makeup. So I try to avoid. So जहाँ avoid हो सकता है. So the first thing that I do is to apply a sunscreen. I am using this La Shield sunscreen. I just hope I am pronouncing it correctly. This is the best sunscreen, and I am just using it since 4 or 5 months, and I guess I'm going to stick to it because it is an SPF 50 and PA++, which protects our skin from UVA and UVB rays. So yes, this is the best one. Just gonna apply it all over my face, and don't forget your neck as well. The next thing that I apply on my face is this moisturizer called Acne Moist. My dermat has suggested this and I'm using this, so this is the second thing that I use. You can see the hydration, you can feel the hydration. This is because of the moisturizer that I use, cause बहुत अच्छा hydration मिलता है. And the third thing which I apply is this anti dark circle serum. I don't usually apply it, मतलब पहले इतना नहीं अप्लाई करती थी और काफ़ी बार skip हो जाता था, but then I realized that this area under your eyes is very sensitive and you need to take care of it. So I'm using this serum for my under eyes. Once I am done applying these 3 products, the next thing I do is to use this jade roller. I just use this every day. So what you have to do, you just need to pull it upwards. जितना मैंने videos में देखा है, they usually pull it upwards and this is the best thing. And you know, इससे जितनी भी पफिनेस होती है on your face तो ये डी पफ कर देता है. So this is the best thing, cause usually, and I usually massage my neck with this like this in upward motion. And I'm quickly going to show you the things that I bought it from Amazon. आज ही order आया है. So yeah, these are the 2 things that I bought it from Amazon. So let me tell you the first thing which I got. So I ordered this organic oil control face wash from Amazon, and this is the best face wash. I recently came to know, and it is an Ayurvedic face wash, so there is no chemicals included in this one. It is not a sponsored thing, but I wanted to try it and it's all natural and herbal, so I'm going to go for it and I will be reviewing about this in my next video. As well as if you want to buy it, I will link about this product in a description below in case if you want to check it. Just hold my camera with my hand, so this thing I always wanted and I told my brother, yes, I want this thing. So this is a mini tripod by Pixie mini tripod. It is in a color white and I would like to show you the tripod. So whenever I am vlogging outside or something, it will be easier for me to vlog with this one. And as today I am going out with my friends and vlogging, so this is the first time I am using it. So it's a very handy one and the quality is good. Even I can rotate this thing. You can see I can rotate it easily. You just need to press a button and the stand is also good. I guess the quality is good and you can just place it anywhere like this and it's going to hold your camera, and or else I can just vlog it like this. So yeah, this is a mini tripod which I ordered from Amazon, and if you want to check it, I will also link down about this link in a description below. And I'm super excited to use this today. So now I'm getting ready because I'm going outside with my friends. So yeah, फटाफट से मुझे ready होना है because I'm already running late. So this is how I do my makeup. If you want to know how I do my makeup, do let me know. I will show you what's the complete process of doing a makeup. I have completed doing the base and now it's time to contour. Lightly I'm going to contour the face and quickly I have to get ready because I'm getting very late. I usually don't put lot of makeup on my eyes or something because I don't like it. बहुत basic and neutral. So today I'm using this palette for a nude one, and this is my favorite palette. I'm using it since I guess year and a half now, and this is the best one if you want to go for a nude makeup. So quickly I'm going to do my makeup, so stay tuned. So this is my no makeup look. Usually I get ready very early, like बहुत जल्दी मैं ready हो जाती हूँ. I'm going to change and will come back and will show you my outfit for tonight. So this is my outfit for tonight and I'm ready now and I'm so excited to go. Look at the place. It's so beautiful. came back and I removed my makeup. That is the first thing which I did after coming back. You must have seen how much I have enjoyed with my friends, the chilling and everything. The place was very beautiful and I was so happy. So yeah, I spent time with my friends and you must have seen them in my Lonavala vlog as well. So बहुत मज़ा आया. It was a fun day and I enjoyed it. And the second thing which I want to tell you is that कि never ever go to sleep by applying a makeup. अगर आपके फेस पे मेकअप ऑन है so don't go to the sleep. ये गलती मैंने बहुत पहले की है that I usually didn't remove the makeup earlier. तो next day पूरे स्किन की बैंड बच जाती थी. So one thing I swear on is that I always remove my makeup before going to bed. That is the best thing. And yeah, बहुत अच्छा दिन था and one day in my life जो I have shared it on screen. And if you like it, do hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and do let me know in a comment section below what more videos you want to see on my YouTube. And if possible, I am going to film what I eat in a day video and as well as my makeup routine. If you wanna watch it, just comment down below. And yeah, so now my day is ending on a good note. So bye bye, see you all in my next video.